Hi everyone, welcome to this quick FAQ on how to make your layers transparent. There's some obvious reasons for that. You might want to be able to see what's behind some polygons or points and lines, or you're stacking a bunch of stuff, or actually this map right here, you'll see, and actually I'll just jump to that because it's a great example. You'll see that I have all these hotspot locations for the city of New York. Now, if these were opaque, it would be a total mess. And part of the value of having it transparent for this layer is seeing where there is a lot of coverage versus only one option. If you're down here, there's obviously a ton of different networks that you can sign into. And for some brief context here, this is a map of publicly available free Wi-Fi. The city of New York has a bunch of free Wi-Fi on the subway and in other spots like parks in some cases where you can just sign in, don't need to log in or anything, and it's great. In fact, I am using it right now, so it works. But let's take a look here as we backtrack onto how you actually make a layer transparent, because that's obviously a useful little trick here. While I'm showing you where you go for that, I also want to mention that it's very useful to do that with raster data as well. So if you have satellite imagery, for example, you might want to overlay it on a base map so that you can have a sense of where you are on the satellite image without having to zoom out or turn it on and off to see what's behind it. So we'll touch on that at some other point in other videos you'll see in here, but I just wanted to mention that you can do it with both raster and vector data. So let's take a look here at this Wi-Fi hotspot location. And it's very straightforward once you learn how to do it. This is point data. Click here, and you'll see this little sliding opacity bar. So you just want to go to that. I'm not going to touch it because I'm using this map, but as you can see, it's already skewed over here to the left to this transparent area. It's not completely transparent or clear as it would be if I took it all the way to the left, but it's light enough to where it allows me to get a sense for where the hotspot density is high. So there you go.